For more than 25 years, we have been leaders in comprehensive construction. We are specialized in the development and implementation of large-scale industrial projects, bringing our experience to various sectors, including automotive, aeronautical, textile, and pharmaceutical. In terms of architectural design and preliminary studies, we use 3D model technologies, which improve the quality, precision, and reliability between plans and executed works. The efficiency from which we perform project administration and management allows us to solve the expansion plans of our clients, effectively complying with regulatory and legal requirements. In structural design, we have extensive experience in civil works and steel manufacturing. This supports us to develop highly complex engineering projects with rigorous quality standards. We comply with environmental requirements, use of clean technology, dust control measures, and adequate management of waste generated in our works. We respond to the demands of our international clients by expanding our services with industrial complexes and specialized real estate solutions, offering due diligence that ensures the soundness of their investments.
Excelencia,
innovación,
confianza, compromiso
are the values that move all Torus Group employees. This is how we navigate in the same direction and exceed the expectations of our clients, making their vision our vision. They trust us. This has led to expand our markets to Europe and Africa, to attend to projects of global significance more closely. We distinguished ourselves by active social responsibility, the promotion of professional development, and the guarantee of efficiency in project management. Torus Group is innovation, trust, guarantee of success. For more than 2 decades, we have contributed to the growth and development of our communities, satisfying more than 500 clients in Mexico and Latin America. Now, our purpose aims to strengthen the growth of global infrastructure. We are Torus Group, leaders in comprehensive construction.